Welcome back to Conscious Guide. In this video, you'll find 5 reasons why your iPad isn't charging and methods to fix it. Let's dive right in. First, check your power source. Your charger might be incompatible or the outlet could be faulty. Swap out your charger and cable and try a different outlet. It's often these small changes that make a big difference. Next, let's talk about a dirty or damaged charging port. Over time, dust and lint can block the connection. Gently clean the port with a soft brush or compressed air. Avoid using anything sharp to prevent damage. Software issues can also be the culprit. If your iPad isn't charging, it might need a simple restart or a software update. Restart your iPad by holding the power button and following the prompts. Check for updates in Settings. General software update. You might have noticed your iPad not charging in extreme temperatures. Just like us, iPads don't like being too hot or too cold. So keep your iPad within 32 to 95 F. Let it cool down in a shaded area before charging. As you know, accidents happen. If you drop your iPad, physical damage can prevent it from charging. You should inspect the port for damage. If needed, visit an Apple store or contact Apple support for professional help. Over time, an iPad's battery health can degrade, which makes it hard to hold a charge. So check your battery health in Settings and then going to Battery. If it's degraded, you must replace it. For watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next video.